Here at the river right now. Huge shelf cloud just rolled over. It's absolutely pouring rain right now. There's people actually out still on the water. It is pouring right now, absolutely pouring. Wow. Wow, I can't even see down towards the dam right now. It is raining that hard. I would suspect a big lightning bolt to come down any second. GoPro's out there on the lamp post. Wow, this storm came out of nowhere. It was literally sunny a half hour ago. Wow. Wow. Boy, I gotta move my stuff back. It's gonna get wet. Oh boy, here comes the wind. Wow. Wow, oh wow, oh wow. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. It is absolutely pouring right now. I've never seen anything quite like this. Jeez, I'm even getting wet up here. I'm on the porch. People are running in over there.